Hi friends, everyone knows that chocolates are unhealthy. That's why we avoid giving too much to the children. Chocolates contain high sugar and high saturated fats with other preservatives which make it totally unhealthy. Even small amounts of chocolate can cause teeth cavities. A habit of chocolate eating can cause long-term side effects like weight gain, migraines, diabetes, hypertension, and other health problems. But the main ingredient of chocolates is cocoa. Surprisingly, this cocoa is exceptionally healthy and it can prevent and cure several health problems. Cocoa was first discovered by Mayan civilization in Central America and it soon spread to European countries by Spanish conquerors. In the beginning, cocoa was used as medicinal and health promoting drink. It was considered as luxury drink and was only consumed by the rich and upper class societies due to its high cost. Pure cocoa powder is made from cocoa beans by removing the cocoa butter or fat. Just drinking plain cocoa powder has several benefits. Number 1, cholesterol. Cocoa is super dense in polyphenols which can greatly reduce triglycerides and bad cholesterol or LDL. Number 2, lowers blood pressure. Cocoa can improve blood flow and increase vascular function. Overall, it can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Number 3, improves brain function. Studies proved that the production of nitric oxide and flavonols can greatly improve blood circulation to the brain. This can improve your thinking power, memory power, and makes you smarter. Number 4, mood and depression. A survey showed that drinking cocoa or consuming dark chocolate has greatly lowered the symptoms of depression and mood swings. It can also help you fight anxiety-related health issues. Number 5, weight control. Just taking pure cocoa helps to lose weight faster and can also stop your cravings for sugar. Number 6, longer life. Cocoa contains a compound called epicatechin, which has been shown to stimulate the production of stem cells. Cocoa is known to improve longevity, leading to long and healthy life. Let's see quickly how to consume this pure cocoa. I found this brand Hershey's, which is known to make chocolates. Their cocoa powder contains 100% just cocoa, no sugars, no fats, and nothing else. In the internet, you can also find organic high flavanol cocoa powder. You can pick the brands you like. I'll make the most simple recipe. In a coffee mug, add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. If you are just starting, start with half teaspoon. Now to this, add 1 cup of hot water. The water should be almost boiling hot so that when you mix it, you can enjoy a nice hot chocolate drink. You can also replace hot water with low-fat milk to give you that rich taste. To this, add a teaspoon of monk fruit powder or stevia. These are some alternatives to sugar. Optionally, you can also add a dash of cinnamon powder. Now using a spoon, mix everything. That's all, it's ready. This will be slightly bitter, but you will get used to the taste over time. It tastes almost like green tea. With this most simple hot cocoa drink, you can get enormous health benefits. I myself have seen improvement in my cholesterol profile and memory power. It keeps me more energetic and active. It also improved my liver enzymes function, meaning it is healing my liver. I also enjoy good mood and happy sleep. These are the 5 health benefits I have noticed quickly after starting the drink. If you cannot take cocoa powder, alternatively you can take 80% or more of dark chocolate. Definitely cocoa drink is a must include drink in the daily routine. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.